Oh no, this again. It's empty. Oh no, no. Sephora has a new advent calendar and I was afraid to buy it this year because in previous advent calendars we had doors with one wipe of nail polish remover. Yes, that happened. I took a leap of faith and I decided to buy it. The original price is 45 euros. I have paid 35 euros and now you can find it for 30 euros. I don't know if this indicates something and people are not buying the advent calendar. I'm hoping I will get my 35 euros back. Wish me luck. We have this adorable design. They always have beautiful packaging for their advent calendars. The issue is always the overall value and the products inside of it. And this is, oops, oh my god, I'm gonna drop it. Okay, so this is how it looks inside. Oh, we have a surprise. What is this? Wishing you? What? What do you wish me? It doesn't say something else. Happy unboxing, happy crying. The name is Wishing You Advent Calendar. We have 24 surprises. I hope happy surprises with makeup, skincare, bath and accessories. That reminds me all the other years. Pink is also here. We're starting with a happy face. And let's find door number 1. It's this. I'm not going to guess. I want to be positive. Oh, ooh. And the first product is a makeup sponge. It is a full-size product that we can use again and again. Oh, it is very squished. Yeah, it smells a little bit, but I'm gonna wash it. The material reminds me a lot my favorite makeup sponge by Catrice Cosmetics. Also, it is the same shape now that I see it closely. We started very well, and day 2 here. By the way, the advent calendar is lightweight for an advent calendar. I'm going to say that Fizzy Star, the bath bomb, they have no, our first mini. This one is the all-day hydrator, hydrate and glow, and we have almost 10 milliliters. We also had this last year and it's very small. You can use 10 milliliters in a week. That's bad. That's very bad. Pinky gets angry. Oh boy. Door number 3. Sharpener. Oh no. No! Why do we have tape for giving the products of the advent calendar? And it is the design of the advent calendar. I have started regretting buying the advent calendar. Moving on to day 4. I'm going to say the bath bomb. Oh, we have an actual makeup product. Ta-da! This is a colorful shimmer eyeshadow in the shade 257. No place like home. Couldn't agree more. And let's see this colorful eyeshadow. Where is the color? Ooh, that's shiny. It's a nice silvery pinky shade. You can use it to highlight the eyes or even the cheekbone if it matches with your complexion. The wishes card is just distracting me. And oh, door number 5. I'm going to say a lipstick. Ooh, makeup again? Yes! Pinky changes. This is Big by Definition Volumizing and Lash Multifying Effect Mascara in the shade Ultra Black. We have 5 milliliters. This is a mini size. Ooh, we have a very nice thin applicator with a fiber brush. I can definitely use it and go very close to the lashes. With very big applicators, I can't even apply on the lower lash line. We are back in the game. And door number 6 now. I don't want to be pessimistic, so I'm gonna say a lipstick. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? So, oh, okay, yeah, I forgot that we always get sheet masks. These are the caffeine eye masks with 91% natural ingredients. We have 1 pair. Oh, and it's like the gel masks that I like using on my eyes. Not bad, however, this is a single-use product. At least we have for both eyes. And moving on to day number 7. And no, again! Why? Why do we have this? This is a tiny mirror. The worst part is it is a single side mirror. It is a very horrible mirror. Oh, it has a sticker. Okay. The design is exactly the same with the packaging. It's pretty, but it is super small. What can you see with this mirror? I mean, you need to have it somewhere here just to apply lipstick. It is super small. Why are we getting tiny mirrors every year? This is just a waste of product. And let's go to day number 8. I hope it is a sharpener. Let's see. Oh no, this again. I'm not gonna cry. This is a cotton flower creamy body wash, and we have 1 capsule. And actually you can buy this in a box of 7 or 10 capsules. And we have 1. What is this? And it contains 7.9 milliliters. I thought these were discontinued, so I'm not able to find them on their website. They have a full size of the body wash and it is 260 milliliters for 7 euros. And we have here almost 8 milliliters. Why is Pinky happy? We also had the mirror. So disappointing. And door number 9, and maybe it's a lipstick. Woo! Found it! This is a cream lip stain in the shade 1. Yeah, that's all. And this is a full size. We have 5 milliliters. Every year they always have a red cream lip stain in their advent calendars. Why am I doing such a big swatch? It has a nice opacity and a creamy formula. The shade is super festive. This is a nice surprise. This is not. Day number 10. Clear. I'm going to say a clear brow gel. This is the watermelon face mask with 95% natural ingredients. And they have actually very nice skincare. So I hope we can get some full sizes as well. Door number 11 looks like a sharpener. No. I prefer a sharpener. We have one more tiny product. This is the brightening eye cream with hyaluronic acid. And we have 5 milliliters. This is a sample. It's not a mini product. We passed that. Oh, it's so cute. But also super tiny. Oh boy. It can go very well with the mini face cream. The Pinky is still angry. The Pinky, just Pinky. Moving on to day 12. It looks like a full-size product. Maybe we have... Oh, a sheet mask. I was gonna say a sheet mask. This is the lip liner to go in the shade 3 Classic Red, and we're getting this every year in the Sephora Advent Calendars. It is a mini, and also about the creamy lip stain. As you can see, it is completely matte now. Oh, 13. Ah! It tries to bite me. I'm going to say a lip balm. They have nice lip products. Oh yeah, I forgot the nail files. It isn't even a full size. We have the same graphic design with the advent calendar. Why do we have again a mini product? Why don't we have a full size nail file? Just why? I don't know if I'm gonna get my money back with this advent calendar. Day 14. It looks like a blush. It is. What is this? It is a folded single-use product. This is the charcoal nose strip. You can remove blackheads with this one. It contains purifying charcoal. The variety of the products is so similar to last year's and also 2020. So it is like they never watch YouTube videos. Door number 15. Ooh, another eyeshadow. This is the colorful matte eyeshadow in the shade 332 Flawless, and this is a matte shade. So again, this is not colorful. You can definitely use this as a crease color. Let's see if you have a lighter complexion. It's not very noticeable on my hand. That's disappointing. I don't know if you can see where I have swatched it. It is here. It's a very light shade. At least it goes with the other shimmery eyeshadow that we had in the advent calendar. Door 16 is a little bit bigger. That doesn't mean anything. It is a Sephora Advent Calendar. Ooh, makeup wipes. These are the watermelon cleansing wipes with 99% natural ingredients, and we have 10 face and eye wipes. At least it's not one wipe or two. Yeah, 1 year we had 2 wipes, not one. I really want to smell this. Oh my god, it smells so good. I love anything with a watermelon scent. Well, no, it doesn't smell so good. Okay. I will just clean my hand. The scent is nothing like what you smell in the beginning. Day 17. What? It's empty. No, where is it? We're going to find the product later. Day 18. No, not again. A folded sheet mask. They are so deceiving. So this is the cherry lip mask with 95% natural ingredients. It doesn't smell. Okay. The design is actually very, very nice. Up next, let's go to day number 19. I can't push it. Oh, no. No! Not again! This is the creamy body wash in Mon Noir. And again, we have a capsule. We could at least have a mini body wash with more than 8 milliliters. Money well spent. Following that, door number 20 is super weird. What is this? Oh my god, did they cut off the hair of a sheep? Is this trending and I'm just sleeping and I know nothing about it? It doesn't look nice. It is a hair tie, by the way. And okay. Let's see. At least it is very, very soft. And actually it is tight and it can hold my hair. It looks bad. Do you agree? By the way, I have 2 nail polishes in this door. It is day 10 that we opened before. Day 17 is one of these. We have 2 nail products. This is a color hit nail lacquer. I think the shade is L41, and we have a red nail polish. And the other product is the gel effect top coat. I'm not sure which doors these are. And door 21, 10,000 years later. Oh, ooh, we have a bigger skincare product. What a surprise! And this is the clean skin gel for cleansing and toning. It is unscented. We have 15 milliliters. Again, this is not a full size. And also it's not fully packed. Maybe I can use it for 7 to 8 days, once every morning. Day 22 looks like a lipstick maybe, or a folded sheet mask. Oh, what do we have here? No! So this is the eye pencil to go in the shade 1 Intense Black. This is the 3rd time that I'm getting this product. They have it every year in the advent calendars. How about a different color? Why not? 23 is a smaller door. I don't have high hopes. Oh, okay, so it is one of the nail polishes. Let's continue with door 24. It looks like a blush. I have actually tried one of their blushes and it is a very nice product. Oh no, it's not makeup. What is this? Do we have a gua sha? Gua sha. Yeah, it is a small gua sha. It is white. It is so pretty. It looks like a heart. This is actually very useful. I really like that they have it in white instead of that green olive that you can find everywhere. I don't think I got my money back with this advent calendar. I'm gonna give it 2 stars, 1 for the variety and 1 for the packaging. The Sephora Favorites advent calendar was a lot better. You can find it here.